everyone, my name is Helene and today we're going to do another 20-minute makes. If you're new to our videos, 20-minute makes is our series of videos where we try simple, quick, easy projects that you can do with leather to show that leathercraft doesn't have to be intimidating or expensive. Today we're going to be making a wireless charger for a phone. I purchased these little wireless chargers off of AliExpress. These little things, they came just exactly like this. And these are like $2 a piece or something like that. So I'm gonna try to turn this into a nice leather wireless charger. You're probably also wondering, is this safe? I don't know. Is this a good idea? I don't know. Should you really make this? I don't know. I did see people make this out of cardboard, so like leather can't be worse than that, right? So I'm gonna go through the materials you need to make this project, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start the clock and try to finish this. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need this little wireless charger that I got off AliExpress, like I said. I have 3 pieces of leather here. I cheated because I know I'm not gonna get this done in 20 minutes. These are 5 to 6 ounce, and this one is closer to 8 and 9 ounces here. And this is going to be a middle piece where I'm going to be able to put the charger in. You'll see what I mean later. You're going to need stuff to cut leather with. I have this X-Acto knife here, and I also have this sharp blade, this Japanese knife. You're also going to need super glue. You're going to need everything to stitch and punch holes, so you're going to need some stitching chisels. These are just from Tandy. You're going to need a cutting board to hammer on. You're going to need this plastic headed mallet. You're going to need some stitching needles and some thread. You're going to need some leather glue. 1, 2, 3. All right, the clock is on, and first thing is first is I'm going to trace this piece right here. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this thing out. This doesn't have to be pretty, it's all going to be hidden, so. Okay. To cut this piece out. I'm at 16 minutes left. Great. Like I said, I'm never gonna finish this one in 20 minutes. Oh man. So what I really want to do here is basically, because I've created that little slot in there, I want to tuck this in. So hopefully that works. Okay, pretty good. Okay, so now I have like 15 minutes to glue this up and get this to work. Line this up on this piece. Super glue. I just want to slide that in. Just a little bit. Alright, now I gotta glue this piece on top. Okay. Alright, so I gotta remember that there's a piece of metal here, so I can't punch too close. And we've got 6 minutes left. All right. So deep. All right. And time is up, and we still have to stitch up this whole thing. All right, so let's keep going. We'll see how it goes. So after that, we are well over the time limit by 20 minutes. So I did 2 20-minute makes. Yeah. Oh man, that was spaying. So that took a while, like 40 minutes. But I'm happy and relieved that it works. That's really all I can ask for here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'm gonna burnish the edges and dye the edges. So it just looks a little bit sleeker. I'm actually going to be using this on our night table. So yeah, I'm happy it works. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if there's anything else you'd want me to try to make in 20 minutes or less, please comment below. All right, see you in the next one.